Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
Welcome to Approved to Move. I'm Brittany, the lender.
And I'm Chelsea, the realtor with Magnolia Homestead Realty. And today we are just on the outskirts of Ocala in Silver Springs, Florida. This is in the Ocala National Forest. It's a very nice, quiet, peaceful area out here. Super close to all kinds of nice nature things. You've got Silver Springs State Park. You have one straight shot to Daytona.
Yes.
All kinds of springs out here. Juniper, Alexander, Salt Springs. I mean, if you're a nature person, then you are going to love it out here.
Yes. Comes with lots of land too, which is
Yes.
really exciting.
3.47 acres. I mean,
Come on,
wow.
check it out.
As soon as you walk in, you're in the living room. It's a really nice sized living room. You've got energy efficient windows in here. I do like how the front door has the clouded glass so that nobody can see in, gives you that extra privacy. And then right into the kitchen.
Come into the kitchen, you have brand new Frigidaire appliances, all in black. It goes really well with the color scheme going on in this house. Gorgeous countertops. And you come in here and you have your laundry room / pantry. So it's super awesome little separate space so that you can organize all of your stuff and have your laundry right here, some shelving. Really cool.
This is a brand new 2022 Clayton built home that was put here specifically for here. So that means
Financing, we can do FHA, VA, USDA, and conventional. So you have every loan type option.
yeah, that's awesome. I love that for being out here. I mean, at the
Yeah.
price point of $209,900,
Yes.
so just under $210,000, you get a brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on
Yes.
3.47 acres. That's what everybody wants. I
Yeah.
mean, you want a brand new place with land. Wow, you get it all right here under $210,000.
Great deal.
It's amazing. So we do have a true split floor plan, 2 bedrooms this way, and then the primary room this way. So let's go check it out.
As you walk through the house, notice the LVT flooring throughout. There is no carpet, which is awesome. Who wants carpet?
Nobody.
Spills, all that stuff, you can clean it and wipe it right up. It's waterproof as well. This property, I do want to mention, what an awesome starter home. A way to start your family, get into a beautiful place with beautiful property, by all the nature, all the things to do, and turn this into an investment property after the fact when you're ready to move up. People would die to rent a property like this, and lots of people are looking for land also in a rental. So definitely something to think about.
In the primary room, you've got a great big window. It has its own ensuite bathroom. It has a bathtub, shower, and the closet in there. Coming down the hallway, you will notice that it has already a brand new ecobee digital thermostat. This is super nice because you can have the app from Apple Store or Google Play, so you can set it up from your phone so that you want to turn it down when you're not home, up when you are home. It's just, I really like that.
guys, this space is perfect for an office or even a small child's room. You have a nice, beautiful window to see your view of all of your land and acreage out here, and you have a closet as well. So come on and bring all your pets and friends and enjoy this home.
We've got our second bathroom, good size with another bathtub and shower. Vanity that matches the bathroom and kitchen. Third bedroom, quite a little bit bigger than the second bedroom. Has another closet in here, and it's a nice size.
Like I mentioned before, we can do all loan types on this property, and because it's a brand new mobile home and land package, we can even do down payment assistance on this. Down payment assistance, if you are interested, please call me. We'll go over all the guidelines. Basic guidelines are a mid 640 credit score. We will need 3 years of tax returns, and of course a month of bank statements to show that you do have enough money to close and things like that. Please, please, please call me. Even if you think that you have credit troubles and you don't know how to fix them, or if you can make it happen, that's what I'm here for. I will guide you and make a plan, and we will get you ready to buy. Something really cool about Ocala is we are the fastest growing city in the nation right now. We have tons of restaurants, beautiful bars, awesome things to do. We are close to the VA clinic if you are a veteran, and only 45 minutes away from the VA hospital in Gainesville. So lots of reasons to bring everyone and come on out.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, hit the bell so you get a notification every time we upload. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you loved about this house or what you didn't love about this house. Tell us what you want to see next. We love to get the feedback from you guys.
We do. Bye, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.
Bye.